For the scorpion, you're going to go from a downward dog position and then lift one leg kind of behind you. So there's a few fun elements to it. When you first start out, it's essentially just sweeping your leg behind you and over. It looks like this. One leg sweeps behind, comes back down. The other leg sweeps behind. When you're more comfortable with it, there's a few other extra elements that you can add in. Things like pushing the shoulder blades away, engaging the lat, so between your shoulder and the same side hip, and externally rotating your hip. So when you do that, then you'll get a little bit more range. So it starts to get deeper and deeper and deeper. So engaging, dropping the heels down first of all, engaging the hip, and then externally rotating the hip, pushing the ground away, engaging the lat, so in between the shoulder and the hip muscle, and then trying to pull back towards your head, and then come back down to ground, switch to the other side.